Hello, welcome to our latest money market update live from Tehaleh here in Bonney Lake. My name is David Sturm. I'm a local real estate agent here. Moved here a few years ago and just really enjoy being an advocate for people buying or selling or just trying to find out what decision to make if they're going to move here or not. Hopefully I can give you some insiders information to make the decision easier. If you don't use me, use another local agent. It'll save you a lot of time and money. Got some graphs here to go over. A lot of things have changed in the market. If you're thinking about buying and you can buy, you really should. There's lots of opportunities to get into houses here in Tehaleh, specifically and in Bonney Lake in general. Builders here. This is a master plan community, and a lot of builders are doing a lot of deals right now to get their inventory off the books by the end of the year and to prepare for the opening of the next section here in Tehaleh. So I'm going to show you some graphs. Please reach out if I can help you in any way, interpret them, help you make a decision. Call the number below, give you a tour, meet you for coffee. Please reach out before you come. You'll find out why once we meet, but it all evolves around saving a lot of time and money. So without further ado, we'll get into some numbers here. Lots changing in the market, and I'm happy to share with you my insights. No one knows what's really going to happen in the future. Interest rates go up, go down. Will inflation continue to rise? Will home prices continue to drop? We're not sure, but what I do know is that I study the market. We can make the best educated guess if you're in the market for buying or selling in the area. So there are 130 active homes. It's slightly down. But there are still a good amount of inventory, and we'll see that in our graphs here. Available to Tehaleh, there's 60 homes available. In Trilogy, in the 55 and older section, there's only 6. That's up from like 0 last year. So and some of them have been on the market for quite a while. So if you're 55 and older, thinking about a active adult community, this might be a great opportunity to get in to Trilogy. There's a couple of resales on the market, some great pricing I can show you. We saw 17 homes with price reductions, and our first graph here is the median sales price in Bonney Lake is $582,475 now, slightly lower than a year ago. So you can see some of the price appreciation that was happening is now subsided, and we're getting more down to more reasonable prices. And again, that's reflected in a lot of the resales that are on the market, as well as new construction homes, some that aren't even on the market. So if you're thinking about a new construction home, please reach out. I can get you some insider information on what's coming up with the builders. Our next slide is the new listings. It's the lowest since December of 18. About 50 new listings in November. So you can see some of the seasonality there that we've seen over the last couple of years since 2012. So we can see that it's become much more volatile, but at the same time, it is seasonably low, and we do expect that to jump back up here in the next 2 months. And then we've got the days on market. Our days on market are just over 30 days. It's the highest since January of 19. So that's, again, a supply and demand issue. There's a lot more inventory right now, and homes are staying on the market much longer. Only 10 homes that are on the market of the 130 have been on the market less than 2 weeks. So great opportunity here right now. Then here is more information on the active homes versus sold. The red is the active homes, which is supply, and the green are the number of sales that are happening. You can see it's a total complete opposite than a year ago. Again, a lot of opportunity here in the Bonney Lake market. Months of inventory. We all know that a balanced market is between 3 and 6 months. We haven't seen that since 2012 in the general greater Seattle market. And specifically here in Bonney Lake, it's finally approaching that 3-month threshold. So it's still slightly a seller's market here in Bonney Lake. And of course, everybody's wondering about the mortgage rates, and it's at 6.49, and it's declining. But keep in mind, lenders here and sellers and builders are all offering some buy down programs that would be very interesting if you're thinking about, securing a smaller interest rate at this point. We always say in the market, You just want to date the interest rate. You want to marry the home. So let's find you the home that works for you, get you an interest rate. When they go down, we'll take advantage of it. But right now, you may not have to wait too long. There's a lot of incentives. Sellers are giving a lot more concessions than they ever did, and we can get you into a house here with some creative financing. So please reach out. I'd love to help you out any way I can. And like always, I'll show you a little video at the end here. I always show my clients just what it's like living here. Check out my YouTube channel. I have a lot of shorts on there that are give you a little bit of insights on what the daily life is like here. I have trail talks in Tehaleh on my YouTube channel. Give you some more information about what it's like living here, and of course my money market update. So please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you when you get here.